Good morning, everybody. It is 9:10 in the morning. My computer's not working. So we woke up. Graham just went to work, and we're just gonna chill. It was rained all night last night. Gotta make sure Ben's not in the camera. I'll find you your markers. Just give me 1 second. And it rained all night last night, so everything's like all wet, and it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be like raining all day today. I think it's like an 80% chance of rain. I don't know, which is fine, because then we can get some stuff done in the house and just relax. I kind of like rainy days because I feel like I can get some more stuff done. So that's what's going on today.
They're in there.
Okay, get them then. So that's what's going on today. My hair looks like crap because I think with me doing the curl method, it makes my hair look all gross. And so, because there's so much product in it. So today I'm just going to wash it normally, I think. And then I think I'll put less product in it and sleep overnight sometime this weekend. So yeah. But I'm definitely going to start working on another cup video. I did order some jewels yesterday, so I have to wait for those to come in and then I'll start that cup. But this one's another video that I'm doing. But yeah, you guys, I'm pretty excited. I'm trying to figure out if I should make anything else today. I try to do like a craft project a day. It just helps me out a lot, especially with everything going on in the world. I avoid watching the news. I've been trying to watch, you know, avoid watching everything else that's just negative. I like to be positive. I should actually work on my wreath that I was working on. I think I might work on that when Miss Charlotte takes a nap. Because I gotta finish it. I gotta make another one, so I should work on that because my mother-in-law wanted one. And yeah, Charlotte's been like going through this like separation anxiety. Like she does not want daddy to hold her. She doesn't want daddy to go near her. She just wants me. So it's like, that's why I need to be away from her more often and go shopping. So hopefully he doesn't work in the morning and I can go to Walmart and do another Walmart Ibotta haul. Pretty excited for that. But yeah, Ben's just gonna be coloring a little bit. I'm gonna pick up some more stuff, probably work on another load of laundry, and maybe wash the windows. So we will see how it goes, and I'll catch you guys. Hey, you guys, so it is 11:37. Charlotte is taking a nap. I got some of my 1 cup video started. I'm still waiting for the other stuff, so you guys will have to wait till this weekend. But guess what? You go to the Starbucks app, you guys, and you go to the menu, and you go down, and now they have drinkware where you can actually buy your cups online and go pick them up at the store like you would order your drink. Funny thing is, they're only 200 points if you guys want to redeem them. 200 points. Usually it's like 400 points if you go and buy it at actually in the physical store. So next time I want to redeem a cup or something, I'm probably going to do it because I've been actually wanting to get this cup. I don't need it, but I want to get it. It's 400, it's glass, and I don't trust myself with a glass water bottle, but for 200 points, that's what I got. I got 341 points. But they also have like a mermaid iridescent one. I have not seen this one in person, but again, that's 200 points. It doesn't look, it's iridescent, but I don't like the dots if you guys go to the app and look at it. So yes, and then they have this like silver stainless vacuum cup. I got this this winter with my 400 points that I got. But yes, and then they have a hot cup with a lid. They have a desert palm, and then you can get a black glitter. Ooh, that one's pretty. That one's pretty. And then they also have a brown paper bag that you guys can get. But that's free. It's free. So that is cool. So you just go to, basically you just go to drinks or menu. There's drinks, food, at home coffee, and then merchandise. I don't know how long that's gonna last for, but kind of cool, kind of cool. I might try it out. So I'm gonna start working on my Walgreens breakdown video right now while Miss Charlotte's taking a nap. And then after that, I'm going to eat something, and then I'm gonna pick up. Got my stuff in the mail for mailing my shirts, and I'm ready to get some stuff done. So let's go have some fun. Hi, you guys. Hi. It is 3:15. We actually went to the library to drop the movies off. Funny thing, there is another library that I've been to a couple times, but they are the libraries in this area. What they're doing is they'll return stuff. I think I mentioned this before. I can't remember. already told my mom this, but they return stuff, and but it takes a couple days for them to check it in because they just want to make sure everything's like steer clear. Well, the library that's near us, they're shutting down their book drop because they have so much. Like, they have like 20 bins of books that have to sit there before they get checked in because of the virus. They just want to make sure, like, you know, the virus wasn't touching them. And so they have had to shut off the drop box because they're so overwhelmed. I'm like, man, if I were them and, you know, I didn't have kids, I would totally help them. I actually used to work at the library. When we had to graduate school, we had to have 1,000 hours of community service. So I actually volunteered to, I worked at the library for a year, and then when I turned 16, they actually let me work there, but the lady ended up becoming a kind of a jerk. She didn't like it how I was 16 years old, and she would never talk to me to my face. She'd only talk to me with Post-it notes. So that's how my day is going. Benjamin does have pants on. So we got Grumpy Butt right here. Can you say hi, Grumpy Butt? Grumpy Butt. Can you say hi? No? Oh, you wave and say hi. Yeah? What you doing? What are you doing? So that's how our day goes. It was sprinkling when we were driving. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not. You guys can't even see me. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not. You're so silly. Everything's so silly. This is a fake cry. See? Fake. You guys like her cowlick this morning? She's got her little cowlick. It's just hanging there. You're so silly. You are so silly. So, Graham will be home. What did I say? It was 3:30? Almost 3:30. Graham will be home in 2 hours. I ordered some t-shirts today because I'm going to make a couple different t-shirts for people. I got a couple projects to make. And then I had to order some more vinyl. And I got to make some more t-shirts. I got Laffy Butt right here. Laffy Butt. So that's how my day is going. Benjamin. So I will catch you guys back. I'm just gonna start picking up, get some stuff put away. Deal with this silly giggle thing. You giggle monster. Giggle monster. So I'll catch you guys back when we're more. Well, hey you guys, it is currently 7:44. Everybody's outside playing right now. I am just sitting at my little craft table, not having you guys look at my cat's butt. You guys, there's this video on TikTok. I'm just gonna play it for like 2 seconds because of stupid copyright issues, but let's just see how this goes. Ready? Isn't that like awesome? Like, you just play with it with your mouth constantly. It's cool. So, I talked to Graham today. You guys don't want to stare at a cat's butt. I know you don't want to stare at a kitty's butt. She's just like, Mom, stare at my butt, please. Graham said I could actually start an Etsy page. Now, I sold stuff on Etsy about 5 years ago. Right when we bought our house, I started an Etsy page. So we bought our house 7 years ago. I was selling jewelry, and like jewelry is very hard to sell just because like certain people like certain things. Some people are allergic to stuff. So I sold a lot of stuff. I did take a huge loss at everything that I bought because it was just, you know, it wasn't as popular. I maybe sold like 6 things, and I had this one big order that somebody wanted to buy from me, but I ended up having to refund their money because I just found out I was pregnant with Ben at the time, and I was dealing with resin, epoxy, and it was really, really hard stuff. So I was talking to Graham and seeing if I could start an Etsy shop, and he said, yeah, we just can't do copyright stuff, which I keep looking at my screen. I should look at you guys. I understand about copyright stuff. Now, I try not to sell copyright stuff, but some of you guys have messaged me, you know, and I quietly do it. But I don't want to publicly, you know, sell copyright stuff. But I am actually going to start selling my bling cups, and then the thing that I'm going to start selling this week, or this thing I'm going to make this week, I think I'm going to start selling that stuff too. So I'm pretty excited. Like I started, you know, I'm working on another cup right here, just a plain one. I got the one that, you know, I'm giving my mom. So I mean, these are like a really good thing for me, because like I don't know where couponing's gonna bring me. I'm still gonna save money. I'm still gonna share with you guys on that, but it's like I need like a little side job instead of just, you know, attending to the kids all the time. I mean, I still got Lori's cup. I'm gonna make her daughter one, so I'm pretty excited, you know, for that. I'm also making my friend Jennifer one, but she wanted Jen, so, you know, I got lots of projects that I'm working on. And I just ordered some jewels, so I got 3 more cups to make. But I think I'm gonna start an Etsy shop. I don't know if I should keep it as Jen made it. I kind of want to keep it that way, but I kind of want to have like a logo design. So if any of you guys can help me out with something, I don't know, I kind of want something cool. I know I can design something myself, but I actually want to get some thank you cards made, and like some business cards or something. Mostly with the instructions how to take care of the cups, and then I'll make shirts if somebody, you know, people ask, but it's mostly the cups. But I kind of want to get some stuff ordered, you know, to start designing this stuff. So I don't know, let me guys, you know, let me think. I mean, I'll still do stuff, you know, not through Etsy. I can still make stuff for people, but I'm just really, really excited to make something. I keep forgetting I have this cute little pen. Cute little pen. But I don't know, I just want to start doing, you know, something like a small little business. And a lot of you guys have helped me and you supported me, and I graciously approve it. But I mean, I got like jewels like crazy. I got greens, and I got pinks, and I got this one I'm gonna do for a Starbucks cup. I got, like, this is supposed to be like a purplish pink. I got black. I got this like chameleon, which is another one I'm going to be making. I got purple, like and I got green, and I got blue. I got a lot of jewels and stuff, and I just have so many ideas of these bling cups that I want to make. But it's like I can only have so much for myself. I can't constantly, you know, just keep making them for fun. So I'm gonna start an Etsy page. I'm probably gonna start it over the next couple weeks, maybe a week. It just depends on what it is. I want to have more stuff, and I'm just gonna sell it as is for the time being, and then I'll do custom orders also. But I'm just really excited. I am super excited to do that. I'm thinking what else I could make. I was thinking of also making what's on the back of my phone? Pop sockets. I was thinking of making jeweled pop sockets. I actually have some pop sockets that I want to make. The thing is, the pop sockets I do want to make, this is an old pop socket. This is the one I got from Jeffree Star. But this one has like these little white tabs on them. The new ones don't. And we're getting a new phone soon, so I want to save that. But I think I want to do some pop sockets, you know, jeweled pop sockets. I don't know if you guys can think of anything else I could jewel. You know, I might even do some other stuff, but I'm just really excited to start jeweling. You know, I kind of want to do this. I really want to do like, you know, decorating things, and I can still do Starbucks cups and everything. So I'm pretty excited. It gives me something to do, something to look forward to have some income. Just with COVID happening right now, not a lot of people are couponing. So, you know, which is fine. But, you know, we can't afford a lot of stuff right now. And I've been using kind of some of my like Ibotta money to buy all this stuff. I don't use the money that we have. I just kind of been doing stuff here and there. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think. If you guys think I should come up with some kind of design, I think I might keep it as Jen made it, just because I don't know, I just kind of like it. It's different. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. My place is a freaking mess. Oh, and fun fact, Graham and I met today, 14 years ago today. We were in a bar downtown Madison, Wisconsin, and I was probably drunk, because after 2 Smirnoffs back then, I think I even drank Amaretto sours. I have, bleh, like, why did I drink that crap? And then Smirnoffs, blah. But we were at a bar downtown, and my roommate moved in with me that day. We went to college together, and we went out to go celebrate. And we were at this bar, and Graham comes up to me, or he comes up to my roommate, And back when MySpace was a huge thing, like you guys were friends with everybody. And he comes up to my roommate and he's like, oh, I know you from MySpace. And she's like, oh, okay. So you guys, everybody walked in. But yeah, so my roommate and I got home that night and we tried searching for him on MySpace. Well, she just recently unfriended everybody that she didn't know, so we had to like search for him. And so then after that, she had a crush on him, and I was kind of seeing somebody else at the time. And so, you know, we just hung out with him all the time. We went out all the time and went out drinking with him. My cat's being annoying. And so after you know, going out for like hanging out with him all summer long, you know, we started hanging out. And then around Halloween time is when I realized I had a big crush on him. So, and then we kind of started seeing each other right after that. So, Benjamin's in here.
Why are we hiding?
Because I was trying to finish my video and then everybody just comes inside. So,
What?
I'm going to shut up now, give my cat a cup, and I will see you guys early tomorrow.